the piano. I absolutely love the piano. I don't actually call myself a pianist, but I love the piano. I love it so much that I bought this piano about 20 years ago. I've never taken one class in my entire life. I sit here every now and then and I bang away at the keys for a few minutes just because it makes me feel good. I love it so much that I shipped this all the way from LA to Melbourne, and it's sitting in my house. No one else plays it. I just sit here like an idiot, bang myself away. I enjoy it, but I don't call myself a pianist. And why I'm saying this to you is because Melbourne is full of people calling themselves actors. I do this all day long. People tell me I'm passionate about my acting. I love my acting. It means my life to me. And I say, yeah, but what is it that actually makes you an actor? Do you have a skill and an understanding of our work? Are you doing it every day? And everyone says the same thing. Well, I'm waiting for an agent and I'm waiting. No, that has nothing to do with acting. It's a very important part of acting, but it's not acting skill. Acting skill requires knowledge. It requires you sitting down and practicing that knowledge, because to know the knowledge on paper is pointless. I could read about notes and how to play this thing, but if I can't actually do it, it's completely pointless. Everyone thinks it will come on the day that I'm filming. It will come when the big, director from LA calls me and, I'm there. And I'm saying, no, that process won't even happen because you don't have a skill and understanding of our work. There's a massive difference between an actor and someone who talks about acting and dreams about it and has a passion for it. But they shouldn't call themselves actors. It's an illness here in Melbourne. Most people that call themselves actors aren't actually actors. Because, see, we've accepted it. It's okay, we allow that to happen. And I'm saying we shouldn't allow that to happen. They wouldn't do that in LA. You can, get through the bullshit quickly. I can tell quite quickly, it literally takes a few seconds that whether you're an actor or not. People say, well, why don't you let me finish? So I'm like, no, I don't have to let you finish. I can already tell you're not an actor. It's there. And that's not just me giving you my opinion. That's what we call an educated opinion. As you know, I've spent years studying this stuff. This takes skill. This takes requirement. This takes work. And I want to separate the people who are actually actors and this is their life and they want to get further. That's what I do very well. I can take a good actor and make him a very good actor, an exceptional actor. I actually can do that. I'm looking for those type of people. As Steve Jobs said, who started Apple, he went up to the guy that he used to own Pepsi at the time, or run Pepsi, an executive. And he said to him, do you want to keep selling sugar water, or do you want to come with me and change the world? I'm not here to change the world. That's not our job. Our job is to make a better product. But I would love to have some influence over what we call actors here in Melbourne and over changing the quality of our work as actors, so that when you get on a set, you actually know what you're doing. You don't just sit there waiting for a director to tell you what to do. That's what most people are under, this delusional mind that the director will tell them what to do. That's not the director's job. The director's job is not to tell you what to do. Amazing directors don't tell people like, De Niro and Sean Penn and all these other what to do. They hire them because they leave them alone and they do their work and then they go off and film it. That's the mentality that needs to change here. A skilled actor knows what they do. And that's what we teach. I want you to decide for yourself. Are you really an actor, or are you just talking about it being an actor? And it's a very hard thing to own up to. Because people, I'm inspired. We get to the end of the year now, and this happens every year. And then people say, this is my year, and then the Academy Awards happen. I'm like, yeah, but do you actually have what it takes? The skill factor, the knowledge. It's those kind of people I'm looking for. And together, we can just focus on doing better work. That's how you make a change in an industry that does actually need changing. Because it's not okay with me for people to just call themselves actors when they don't actually belong in our field. If you're a dreamer, great. Either decide to do something about it or stop calling yourself an actor. I don't call myself a pianist. I'll gladly sit here after this and I'll keep playing away. But it's okay for me to do this because I haven't made the decision to make this my career choice or my life choice. So it's not okay if you call yourself an actor when you're not. If you are an actor, be an actor. You've made a choice to voice it. Now do it. Don't do it half-ass. Don't do it 10%. Do it 100% of your time. It should be it every day. Go train. Get some knowledge behind it. It's not just luck. It doesn't just happen. It's work. Don't be this. Be an actor.